Okay, so we've got the Sony A7IV and the 28-70 2.8 Sigma contemporary lens. And we're in Benasque, which is a beautiful mountain town. And I've just been skiing this morning. I'm absolutely shattered, so we'll see what we can get this afternoon. Should get some nice light. It's around 1 hour before golden hour. No, it is like about to become golden hour, so hopefully we get some nice light. It should be good. Just stepped in a puddle. The sky is very bright still. It's pretty much all white, which makes exposing pretty difficult, but the raw files on the A7IV are so jam-packed full of data that you can recover so much from the shadows, so it's not too much of a problem. Oh, look at that, man. Taking it pretty wide. There's so many different compositions here though. I'm just focusing on the mountain. Man, that is just... oh, this town is very picturesque. I love these like stone walls. They just, I don't know, it reminds me of the mountains as well. And then you've obviously got these beautiful peaks around, and it just looks great. Let's see if we can get a bit of the... nice little vent. Conveniently placed. Oh god, okay, don't stand on that. Ah, it's not even that good of a view, to be honest. We can get a shot right here. Probably should have looked at that bend before I stood on it. Oh, another angle. This house here on the left has some like shutters which are quite old school. Bring the shutter speed down. Very nice. Or maybe with the top of the church spire. Okay, we're now on the main road. Lots of cars parked around. Oh, a little cat. I didn't have eye autofocus turned on, but this camera does have animal eye autofocus, but you have to change it from the human one. I've got it set to human because most of the times when I need it I'm taking photos of people, so I have it set to that, but I have changed it once or twice, quite a lot actually, for photos of my dog mainly. Oh, see if we can... wow, that's a shot and a half. I don't know what this is exactly, but it's pretty cool. All the way wide at 28 here. Go nice and low, get the whole mountain in. I'd really like this girl and the dog to go to the middle of the street, but I don't think it's going to happen. Get a nice shot of the mountain here. And go nice and wide. I'm not really used to shooting that wide. Obviously I had a 35, but that's not that wide. So I don't really have an eye for super wide shots yet. But I have an exciting lens coming soon, which will let me practice that. Let's see if we can get a picture of this really nice bridge here with a mountain. Got a little river. Be even better if we could have someone in like a bright jacket walk along there, but I don't think that's going to happen. There we go. That's a wider shot. See if we can get a photo of the water. See if we get a long exposure. Always got to love a long exposure of water. Go right up to F22. Take a bunch there. Steep bridge. Oh wow, that is really nice actually. You always got to look behind you because you just miss that one shot. That is so nice. I'm going to see if we can bump up the f-stop and get all of this in focus. It's pretty good. Get a vertical one as well. Man, what a pretty place. I genuinely love the mountains so much. They are just like one of the most humbling places you can ever be, because they just make you feel so small, and just the magnitude of these mountains is just something else. And these are 2,400 around that kind of height meters, which when it comes to mountains is pretty small, but it's still quite a large thing, and it's just, yeah, an amazing place to be. Right, I don't think we're going to get much more this way. Let's head back into the town and see what else we can find. Might get a nice angle through here. Another little alleyway. I mean, I could take a gazillion photos of this same mountain and just keep going, but you'll probably get quite bored of seeing the same thing over and over again. That's actually a nice tighter one. And that's a wallpaper for me. That's a wallpaper for me. There's one final little spot I noticed the other day when we came in that I want to hit, and then other than that I am absolutely shattered. And I hope you guys are enjoying more frequent videos from me. Gotta be quick about this. And then I think there's a little path up here, which I'm not really adequately prepared for, but I'm only going to go up a little bit and see what kind of view we can get. I think this is a hike. Benasque is also really nice in the summer. I've come in the past in the summer, and there are some amazing hikes you can do here. I'd just like to see over this wall that's on the right hand side, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to find a spot. Let's go a little bit further. Wasn't expecting to do a bit of hiking today. I think that's a little viewing spot. Makes things a little bit easier. And a bit more here. And hopefully this is a good way to end. A nice little lookout shot over the whole town. Oh yes, this is perfect. Oh, what a way to end. Boom. Oh. Bells going off. The sun is very bright. And what we're going to do here is a big old panorama. So I've changed to single drive. We're going to focus and then switch my lens to manual focus, and then we just what a way to end this POV video. Well, I think that rounds off what is a pretty awesome little POV. What a way to end. I love this view. This town's great. Got a few more days of skiing. I'm going to have a little vlog out as well, so I'll explain more about that in another video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.